In primetime news this evening, inappropriate DPP response to former deputy's gun license recommendation on official letterhead.
New polymer banknotes now officially in circulation.
And multi-million-dollar education transformation budget to be approved. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking about the latest inflation figures, and it slightly went up in the month of May. That and more in the Business Day.
Okay, and Jermaine Brown is also here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. It's all about football this evening. The Reggae boys didn't do so well today in their friendly international, and the World Cup bound Reggae girls, well, they're once again asking questions of the JFF. We'll tell you about those a bit later on.
There's no controversy with the weather. Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thank you, Janella. Continued sunny skies are expected for the weekend, but next week, Monday going into Tuesday, we are expecting an increase in clouds across the area, and there's a very good chance that there is an area of low pressure that develops close to the Yucatan sometime on Sunday.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what has been your experience accessing the new bank notes?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.